Hello, this is Kelly with Xima Software. In this tutorial, you're going to learn how to set a limit of how many callers can be in a skill group queue. Please note that sometimes the capacity of a queue can be limited by the phone system itself via licenses or channels. However, if you'd like to set a queue capacity per skill group, you can do so with the following steps. Navigate to the Contact Center Configuration and Skill Management. Select a skill. About halfway down the page, you will find Max Calls Allowed in Queue. By default, it's set to 0. That simply means that it's not set. That does not mean that we're capping you at 0 calls. We just have not defined it. To define the cap, click on the ellipsis button to the right-hand side, go to Max Allowed, and set your number. In this case, I'm going to say allow no more than 20 calls to sit in this queue. Up next, define the overflow destination. This determines where the calls that exceed that threshold will go. You can send them to another skill group, or you can send it to an extension, which could be a voicemail box, another group, even an outside party if you type in the phone number. Click OK to save your changes, and always save.